In today's video, I will demonstrate exactly how a power strip works. But before I do so, let me give you a little bit of information as it relates to the power strip. So a power strip allows you to connect multiple devices to a socket outlet. It usually has an amperage rating as well as a wattage rating written on the power strip itself. It also has an inbuilt circuit breaker that will shut off the power if the amperage or wattage exceeds the strip's rating, thereby helping to prevent fires from occurring. So let's see this power strip in action. So to test this power strip, I have an electrical iron and a fan connected to this power strip. Now let's see what happens when we turn on the iron and it reaches operational temperature. So as you can see there, the power strip switched off the electrical supply to the devices. And the reason this happened is that the current draw or the wattage exceeded the rating of this power strip. So that is what it is actually designed to do, to prevent overheating and prevent an electrical fire.